Here we're going to look at calculated fields in SQL query. So I'm going back to the select all from staff query, and let's say we'll pick out a number of different fields instead of the all symbol. And let's run that query. And we're just cutting down the table, but what I'm interested in here is the salary field. It's a number field, and just to show you that we don't have to be satisfied with just that number, we can do normal arithmetic operations on any of the numbers there by just putting in an arithmetic symbol. For example, this salary that's shown here, it is just an annual salary, so if we just divide by 12, right there in the field, and click execute, we'll obviously get the monthly salary instead. So I'm getting a monthly salary divided by 12. The digits that are coming out, it's coming out in 4 decimal places. I can always round that up because it doesn't really look like a currency amount at the moment. So I'll just use the round function from SQL. And that's going to round to no decimal places. If I want to round it to 2 decimal places, I'll just put in a second argument here. So that's rounding it to 2 decimal places. To give you another example, I'm just going to look inside the property for rent table. So each of these different records shows the different details of the properties for rents that are on the books of these rental agencies. But the column or the field that is most interesting to me is the rent field. If I just focus in on the rent field and I name it, but let's say that rent, it's a monthly rent. If I want to get the annual rent, of course, same type of idea as before. I can just use the arithmetic operator multiply by 12 and execute to get the actual overall annual rent. All of these calculated fields, when it comes back in the result set, the heading on the column doesn't look particularly attractive or doesn't convey what's actually in the column to anybody who's actually reading it. So by rights, I should come along and use the as keyword to rename that column in my result set. So that as keyword will be dealing with it in another column, but that is as straightforward as it gets. And this feature in SQL is known as calculated fields.